Welcome students to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about universal set. So a universal set is a set that contains everything of other sets. This is the definition of universal set. A set of which other sets are subsets and it contains all the elements is called a universal set. The word universal comes from universe. As we know that the universe contains everything, so the universal set. For example, we can consider a set A. Suppose A is a set, then there must exist some bigger set U from which we have drawn this set A. Then U is called the universal set. U is the universal set. Let us look at this example. Set A denotes all the elements x such that x is an integer which is less than 20 and divisible by 5. Then what are the elements A has? A has 5, 10, and 15. So these are the elements the set A has because x is integer less than 20 and it must be divisible by 5. So 5, 10, and 15 are the only elements that is in set A. Now set B says x is an even number which is less than 10. Then what are the elements in B? It is 2, 4, 6, and 8. So these are two set A and set B. Now the U set contains the element 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and 15. Now if we observe, we can see that set A is subset of U, set A is subset of U, and also set B is subset of U. So U contains all the set A and B. Hence U is the universal set. So, universal set is a set that contains all the elements of some other sets. Or, in other words, we can say that it is a bigger set which consists of some given sets. And how do we represent the universal set? By drawing a square. This is set U, and this is set A, and this is set B. In this case, A and B are disjoint because there are no common elements between A and B. So that is why we have drawn A and B which are not overlapping. So this is the Venn diagram of universal set that contains two disjoint sets A and B. So I think you have a clear idea now that what is a universal set. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.